This is a Hotpoint tdc30p tumble dryer, and what I want to talk over is the thermostat that goes with the heating. Now, if you can look here, you can see there's the heater element, and you've got two thermostats fitted, and if either of these fail, that breaks the circuit and the heating won't work, but the tumble dryer will continue to tumble because that's on a separate circuit. So you need to investigate why heating isn't happening. Now in my case, what I can show you is the old thermostat that was on this machine, and if you look carefully you can see very badly damaged. It's probably an electrical surge overwhelmed the thermostat and just burnt it out. So that was on this machine, and I replaced it and expected the machine to work. Guess what? It didn't work. And I thought, that's a bit strange. And I started looking at all other possibilities elsewhere in the machine that might be causing the heating not to work. And I checked on YouTube, and there's a video, a really good one, that talks about these thermostats and how they can be reset. And this is the one I replaced it with. Now if you look very carefully, I'll zoom in for you. Whoops, I'm going a bit too far. Well too far. You can see just there's a hole. And if you get a paper clip and open it up and use it as a pointer, you can get a paper clip in there. When you do, it goes click, and that resets it. And what I'd gone and done was I put the thermostat in, and it was tripped, so it didn't work. It broke the circuit, and it wasn't some time I realised, but I had to get a paper clip and reset that. But the tumble dryer then started heating up as it should do. So that's a lesson for me, and a bit of advice for you.